Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. We start on 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's begin from the pre-chorus on the count of 8. So on 8, we have to bring our hands up, stretch them up, and kick with our right leg. So all together, stretch your arms, kick your right leg. After that, on 1, after going up like this, we have to step with the right leg, okay, outside and bend the left knee. So you step and with your hands you cross them and put them like that, and you cross them and open. So is kick and cross open. On 2, we have to turn our wrist, so like slowly you turn them this way, okay, round, and you kick again with the right leg. So from this you kick and turn your wrist. So from the beginning you go 8, cross, open, and kick. And from here, you go boom, boom, boom. So for this part, while you're here, you put your hands into fist. You step with the right leg first, then with the left, and then with the right. So while doing this, with your hands, you're going to put them into fist and go boom, step, and boom, step. So again, we go boom, boom, and boom. Now let's go from the beginning, from here. So we kick, cross open, turn, boom, boom, and boom. Then we have to wave slowly. So for this part, after boom, we're going to put them at the back of our head. So the hands are at the back of our head this way. Okay, so while doing so, we have to wave our body and we have to wave our butt out. So we wave this way. After waving, we have to join our elbows together. So from here, we join them together and then we put our chest in. Okay, so from there, you put your hands down next to your chest and again, you go in. So your chest goes in. So one more time, boom, wave, elbows and chest. So well done. Now let's repeat from this part, from the very beginning. So it's kick up, cross open, turn your wrist, boom, 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 wave, elbows, chest. After ending here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this part, we have to put our hands on our body first. So right on top, left goes down, and face looking to the left, and your hips are slightly pushing to the left, like this. And then you open. So for this part, after doing this, you look to the left, and when you open, you have to stretch your 2 arms, okay, palms are out. And then you go up, up. So from here, you just have to go up and up. You just move your arms and your chest pumps out. So you pump out 2 times. So pump, pump. Okay, again, from this part, we go open and pump, pump. From there, you join your hands together. So left is down, right is up, palms up. And you brush it to your face. So you bring it next to your face. So again, you brush it this way slowly, and while doing so, your right knee goes up. So you just kind of bring your leg up, and all this looking to the left. So while you do this, you have to look to the left and turn. So from this part, you look to the left, open, up, up, hands together, and brush your face. Leg up, and then you go 7, 8. And for this part, you have to step with the right leg first. So you bring it down and you step with the right leg, then with the left leg. Your front, it would look right, left. So right leg this way. And your hands are on your chest together, and right shoulder goes down and left goes up, and then right goes up, and switch again, right goes down. So right down, right up, and you raise your leg, and then right down. Okay, so from this part again, so we don't forget, we go look to the left, open, up, join together, brush, 7, 8. So this was the first half of the chorus. Now let's do a little recap. So we do go hands up, cross open, then boom, 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 wave, elbows, chest, look to the left, open, up, hands together, brush, 7, 8. So after this part, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this part now, we're going to be looking to the front, and our hands are going to be this way, okay, touching together, and you're going to bring it down and then up. So you look front and down and up, and you start. You bring it out. So from this part, you just have to bring your left leg out, stretched out. And when you bring it stretched out, your end goes down again. So it goes down and up. So look to the front, push, and then push again and up. And your head is tilted to the left. So every time you bring your leg out, your left leg out, you have to tilt it to the left. So push, then push again. And the same thing with the other side, you push again. So for this part now, the right leg is stretched out and your head is tilted to the right. So it's just the same thing but with opposite side. So push, push to the left, and push to the right. Okay, now let's repeat again this part. So from 7, 8, we go push, push to the left, push to the right, and from here you bring your arms out. So you stretch them out and you point to the front with your 2 index fingers. So you point to the front, your legs are joined together, and you switch, switch, switch. Well, for this part, when you point your fingers to the front, you point to the right, then switch to the left, and again switch to the right. So our hips you move them to the left. So when you point to the right, you move your hip to the left. Then again, you switch. When you switch to the left, you move your hip to the right. And then again, switch. When you move your finger to the right, you switch your hip to the left. Okay? So everything together. Hip to the left, hip to the right, hip to the left. So your fingers and hip go in opposite direction. Okay? So from the beginning, from this part, from when we push. So push, push to the left, push to the right, point, switch, switch, switch. After this part, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after pointing to the left, we're going to slowly bring our left arm to the back of our head. So slowly, and then also with the right arm. So they just follow slowly with the left and bring the right back. Okay, and then you put your head up, slide your hands through your body slowly. You join your legs together. So one more time, hands to the back, raise your head, slide your hands through your body, and join your legs together. Okay, then on 8, you bring your hands out, palms are up. You stay in the same position, don't move. You just bring your palms out on the count of 8. Okay, so this is the end of the chorus. Now let's repeat from this part when we switch. So hands go back, lift your head up, slide your body, legs together, and palms out. You see, easy. Great job. We're done with the chorus. Now let's do a quick recap of the second half, and then we'll practice everything together. So let's repeat from the part where we push. Okay, so we push down, then push to the left, push to the right, point to the front, switch, 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 hands to the back, slide your hands through your body, join your legs and palms out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this part is really easy, so don't worry. So from our hands being stretched out, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this part, after stretching your hands out, you just have to snap your fingers. Okay, so 8 times. So snap to the right up, snap to the left, snap to the right, snap to the left. So the first 2 are up, then you go down. And when you snap to the right, your hip moves to the right, and when you snap to the left, your hip moves to the left. And then again, you repeat the same thing. So snap, 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 snap. Then you circle to the right, circle to the left. Okay, so for this part, you have to circle and then stop in the right, then circle and stop in the left. So circle. When you circle to the right, you have to step 2 times. So while you circle, you step, and when you stop, you step again. And when you circle to the left, you step, and when you stop, you step again. So let's repeat one more time. So snap, 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 snap. Circle to the right, circle to the left. And then you go up, up, down, down. I think I'm gonna. So for this part, after doing the circle, okay, stopping in the left, you push your right arm up, then your left arm goes up, then your right goes down, left goes down. So we just move them up, then down. So up, up, down, down. When this song says I think I'm gonna, first you have to step, okay, 1 step to the front, and with your index finger up here, you have to switch them. So for this part, the right index finger is touching your head when you move your right head, and the left index finger is away. So you move, then you switch and end up like this. Okay, so you switch, then switch, switch, and switch. Now your left index finger is touching your head. Okay, so you have to end up like that. So we're done with the first half of the post chorus. Now let's repeat from this part, and then we will repeat from the beginning. So hands up, hands down, I think I'm gonna. Well done. So now let's repeat from the part where we snap. Okay, so we snap, 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 circle right, circle left, arms up, down, I think I'm gonna. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so for this part, you're going to put your left hand, place it on your left hip, and your right hand into face, you bring it down. Okay, and when you bring it down, your hip is going to move to the left, and you have to bend down this way. So you bend down and hip is looking to the left, so you bring it down, and you have to move your hip slowly all the way up. Okay, so move to the right, move to the left, and move to the right. Okay, so again, move it left, then right, left, right. Okay, all the way up. So one more time, move all the way up, and then again move all the way up. Okay, these are the first 8 counts. Then you're going to cross. Okay, make a cross. So for this part, you have to put your right fist and move it to the left. okay, next to your hip, and the hip moves to the left, and the same thing with the left arm into fist. You put it to the right and your hip moves to the right, okay. So you just cross, okay, and from here you lift it up. So for this part, when you lift your cross up, your face is also looking to the ceiling, okay. So look to the ceiling while your arms are still crossed into fist, okay. And then you push again. So for this part, you bring your hands next to your chest, to the front. Your right leg is stepping out, and you have to move your hips, okay, while you push down. So you push down twice and move your hips down. So push, and then again on I think I'm gonna, you're going to do the same thing but just twice, 2 times. So after you push, you move it to the left, then to the right, okay, and you just end up like that, and you end the post-chorus that way. So from this part, okay, so we push, slide up, and push, slide up, then cross, up, and push, I think I'm gonna. Okay, well done. We're done with the post-chorus. Now let's repeat again from the beginning, and then we're going to repeat with count and practice. So snap, 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 circle, stop, arms up, down, I think I'm gonna, down, slide up, and down, slide up, and make a cross, up, and push, down, I think I'm gonna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.